I'm excited today to show you this 4-bedroom, 3-bath home in the Zilker area, 78704. You're going to love it. Let's take a look. Zilker has everything you need. You're close to the trails around Lady Bird Lake, Zilker Park, and Barton Springs Pool. South First is full of great coffee shops, South Lamar has local dining, and South Congress is known for live music, unique shopping, and great food. It's a neighborhood that's got it all, nature and city life right outside your door. At the time of me posting this video, this home is priced at $2,099,000. And special thanks to my friend Keenan Beck, the listing agent, for allowing me to capture this home on video. Inside, the kitchen is bright and open. The wood cabinetry and quartz countertops give it a clean, warm feel, and the island is perfect for casual meals or hanging out. Those light fixtures above the island are a great touch and really make the space feel special. With high-end appliances and a layout that flows into the living and dining areas, this kitchen is built for both everyday living and entertaining. Moving into the living area, the space feels open and connected to the outdoors. The pool just outside the living room is perfectly framed by large windows, making it feel like an extension of the space. Whether you're inside or out, it's easy to move between the two. The dining area with its views of the pool is perfect for both casual and formal meals. Coming up at the back of the home, you'll find the primary suite. It's spacious with plenty of natural light and a bath that offers everything you need to relax. Separate shower, soaking tub, and dual vanities. Next, I'll take you to the front of the home where you'll find the full bath and a flexible office space, perfect for a home office, a guest room, or extra living space. Then we'll head upstairs, and there are 2 more bedrooms and a living area, which could easily be used as a playroom, a media room, or anything you like. I'm going to stop talking for now so you can enjoy the tour, and I'll be back in just a few minutes to show you my favorite part, the backyard. But for now, enjoy. One of Lisa and my favorite spots near here is Teal House Coffee and Bakery. It's a small place, but the pastries are next level, flaky, fresh, and made from scratch every day. Whether you grab a buttery croissant or one of their seasonal treats, everything tastes like it just came out of the oven. And it probably did. Next time you're in the area, make a stop at Teal House. It's the kind of place you'll want to come back to. As I promised, I want to show you my favorite part of this home. It's the peaceful and calm backyard retreat. Just take a moment and picture yourself talking with a friend in one of these chairs or sitting in this pool. As always, if you want more information about this home or new construction or any home in the greater Austin area, just send me a text or email and we'll set up a time to chat. I love Austin and I love helping families and individuals relocate. This is what I do. Let's find home. If you're still watching, thank you. Lisa and I love capturing on video some of Austin's great homes to share with individuals like you. I post videos like this one each and every week, so if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button, like it, share it, and comment. I'd love to hear from you, and I look forward to seeing you on our next tour.